Food factories produce products in line with the needs of people. These factories must be fast and modern so that the product can be grown. That's why the food production machines used are quite technological. We can call these machines the inventions of smart people. In our video, we are talking about food production machines in several factories for you. Please subscribe to our channel and like the video. Ice cream production factory. This is how India's favorite Amul ice cream is produced. This ice cream, which gives richness and taste to the Indian palate, is made with 16% milk fat. It is then covered with Belgian chocolate and almond pieces. Automatic gyoza forming machine. In this machine, the dough goes through several processes to turn into a delicious gyoza ravioli. These processes are dough rolling, shaping, and filling into the tray, respectively. Cake production machine. I guess there is no one among us who doesn't like cake. Here is the automatic production of these cakes. Filling material is placed between the cake moistened with spray. Then the top and sides are covered with pastry cream. Automatic bread production line. There are three main processes involved in making bread: kneading, fermenting, and baking. Kneading turns the flour into dough. Fermentation makes the dough sour and rises, and baking turns it into bread. Here you see how the machines and equipment in all these processes work. ÖZKÖSEOİDLU equipment and machines are used in this and similar automatic and high-capacity bread production facilities. Potato chip factory. All potatoes go through a pool of water to rinse off any dirt or rocks left over from the harvest. The potatoes are then spun around the inside of peelers which are coated with a rough surface. As they spin, this rough surface removes the potato skins. After slicing, the potatoes are washed to remove starch and then air-dried to remove excess water before heading to the fryer. The potato slices are sent into a batch of heated premium oil where they are cooked to an average temperature of 330 degrees. Now these potato slices are officially delicious potato chips, but it's not over yet. They will still need to go through a seasoning tumbler. Their chips are sprinkled with one of Mikesell's distinctive and delicious flavors. Automatic donut machine. From cut shapes to fermentation, frying to chocolate or syrups, all the steps require no manpower. We would love to eat these delicious donuts fresh. Pizza production factory. Pizza is consumed fondly in many countries. See how pizza is made in this modern and delicious factory that produces the famous, premium Italian pizza. In this factory, the processes are semi-automatic. Here, human assistance is used in many steps during the pizza production stages. So how do you like pizza? You can write in the comments.